Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing lesson number 1 and that is large numbers. In previous videos you learned how to form a greatest and smallest number and how to write the successor and predecessor of the number. In today's class we are going to learn how to round off the numbers nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, nearest to thousands. See here, for that you need to know one small trick. If you know that trick, then you can round off the numbers easily. So let us take one example, and I took that example from your My Practice Time 5, and that is the first question. Round off the given numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands. Here one example is there. You have to round off that number to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands, and that is page number 86. My Practice Time for you, page number 86. So let us see the trick. Then what is this trick? See here, there are two trains here. There are two trains. Train number 1 and train number 2. Train number 2. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In train number 1, no, how many digits will come? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in train number 2, yes, in train number 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Train number 1, train number 2. Then, so let us solve this example. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind. If the number is there in train number 1 means there is no need to add 1. And if the number is there in train number 2 means you need to add 1 in the hundreds place or thousand place. Let us take the examples, then you come to know how to write that. So this is nearest tens. Tens is there. For that, see here, you have to see only one side tens place. One side tens place. Nearest tens is there means you need to see here ones place. So what is there? See here in ones place. Yes, in ones place what is there? 9. And the digit will come in train number 2. So you have to add 1 in tens place. Are you getting my point? You see here, tens is there means you have to see the ones place. Okay, so if I add here 1 means how much it is? 9, and this becomes 0. But don't write only this much, you have to write the remaining digits also. 4, 1, 3, 9, 0. So 41,390. 41,390 is the round off number if I round off nearest to tens. Then again hundreds, nearest to hundreds. So here you have to see this. See here, again what will come here? Hundreds. So if you are rounding off hundreds means you have to see the tens place. So see, 8 is there in train number 1 or train number 2. It is there in train number 2. Then you have to add here 1. This becomes 4 and remaining terms becomes 0. But you have to write this word, this also. 41,400 is the round off number nearest to hundreds. Okay, next you take one more, nearest to thousand place. See here, if you are rounding off nearest to tens means you see ones place. Round off hundreds is there means you see tens place. Round off thousand is there means you see the hundred place. If you have to see one digit back. So this is the example. Next here what is there? 41,389. Okay, here thousands is there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 1 is there. So 1 will come in. So sorry, here you have to see the hundred place. So 3 will come in train number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. You write as it is 4, 1 and remaining terms becomes 0. So this type you have to round off the numbers nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, nearest to thousands. Tens is there means you see ones place, hundreds is there means you see tens place, thousands is there means hundred place. Okay, clear? Then I will take one more example from your My Practice Time 1. Yes, and that is 85 lakh 85 lakh 19,000, 85 lakh 19,476. Again you have to round off here, nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, nearest to 1000s. Okay. So this is the second question from your my practice time 5. Then see here, first nearest to tens is there means I will take only this digits, ones and tens. You need to see tens place. Okay, 7. 7 will come in tray number 1 or tray number 2? Yes, nearest to tens is there means if you have to see the ones place. Yes, 6 is there in tray number 1 or tray number 2? Yes, it is there in tray number 2. Then you have to add here 1. 76 means it becomes 80. So remaining digit you have to write 85 lakh 19,480. Okay. Next here nearest to hundreds is there. Nearest to hundreds is there means you have to see this 100 place, ones, tens, hundreds, then you have to see the tens place. Again it will come in tray number 2, then you need to add here 1. It becomes 500 and remaining digits as it is 85 lakh 19,500. Next, nearest to thousands is there. Again you need to see this 1000 place, but you have to see this 100 place. Okay. 100 place is there. So how much it is? 4 will come in tray number 2. Yes, 4 will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. So 8, 5, 1, 9 and remaining term becomes 0. 85 lakh 19,000 will be the answer. I hope you are getting my points. Yes, this is my practice time for you. First question. Next here, round off numbers to the nearest 10,000s. Round off numbers nearest to 10,000s is there. See here, 10,000s is there. Nearest to 10,000s. So this is what? Second question. Second question, nearest to 10,000s is there. So let us take first example, 81 lakh 56,743. Okay, 10,000 place is there means you need to see here 1000 place. So take here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and here lakh is there. So here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 place is there means you need to see here 1000 place. 1000 place. So what is there here? 6. So 6 will come in tray number 2. Then you need to add here 1. So here you add here 1. 81 lakh 60,000 and remaining digits becomes 0. Next you take one more example and that is I will take here 2 crore 51 lakh 17,867 and it is nearest to what is there? 10,000s is there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so here 10,000 is there, no? You hide these digits. So what will come in 1000 place? 7. So 7 will come in tray number 2. Then you add here 1. So write here 2, 0, 0, 0, 0 and your remaining terms becomes as it is 2 lakh, 2 crore 51 lakh 20,000 will be the answer. See here they given 4 examples. Among them I have solved here 2. Remaining you do as a homework. Then here one more question is there. Mr. Rajesh brought a car for 8,67,596. Round up the cost of the car to the nearest 10,000. So very easy is there and that is third question. Third question. So this should be in your mind while you are solving the examples. Tray number 1 and tray number 2. So here, so the question is 8,60,000 7,596, and you have to round off nearest to 10,000s. Nearest to 10,000. So again you write here place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. See here 10 round off nearest to 10,000 is there, means you need to see this 1000 place. So 7 will come in tray number 2, you need to add here 1. Write here 8 as it is. This becomes 7, this becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. So this type you have to round off the numbers. This is my practice time for you, page number, that is page number 86. See here one more question is there. The total number of vehicles in 4 major cities of Japan is 3 crore 18 lakh 78,917. Round off this number to the nearest hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So this is my practice time for you question, and that is page number 86, fourth main. Fourth question. Now before this I have solved third main, and that is the total number of total number of vehicles 4 major cities of Japan are, that is 3 crore 18 lakh 78,917, and you have to round off nearest hundreds, nearest 1000s, nearest 10,000s, nearest 10,000. Yes, nearest 100 is there, means you have to hide this all the digits. Just you see ones and tens and 100. Nearest 100 is there, means you see here tens. Okay, so that is will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. You write 9 as it is. That remaining becomes 0. But don't write here only 900. Here you have to write the remaining digits also, 1878. Okay. Then here 100 thousands is there. Thousands is there, means again you have to hide this all the digits. Take here 1000 place, and you need to see here 100 place. See here 100 place what is there? Yes, 100 place what is there? 9 is there, and it will come in tray number 2. So you have to add here 1. So 3, 1, 8 and 7 as it is. This becomes 9, and remaining terms becomes 0. Okay, then next 10,000s is there. So here you write 10,000s is there. You need to see here thousands place. 1000 place will come in tray number 2, and here you have to add here 1. So here remaining digits you write 3, 1, 8. This becomes 8. Next 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is my practice time for page number 86 questions. Yes, dear students, here I have solved my practice time for you, page number 86, first main, second main, third main, fourth main. You have to solve all the examples. Okay, for that here one thing I will clear you. If you know this trick, then you can solve these examples easily. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.